Hi everyone, I am Anveen Shah and I'm a certified ascension coach with Twin Flames Universe. So I'm here to talk about twin flames because a lot of you must be experiencing either twin flame separation or you must be experiencing maybe fights, maybe disharmony with your twin flame, and to a point where everything starts to feel bad about being in this connection, and you might often feel like moving on, but you're even not able to move on because every time you want to just end this connection and you want to focus back on yourself, you will see your twin flame popping back in your life. So let's understand that why does this happen? Why do your twin flames come back even when you fight? You may be having ugliest of fights, or but the love that you feel with your twin flame is so deep, is so intense that you never can ever forget it. But also, you cannot move on from this connection. So, what is your twin flame? Your twin flame is somebody with whom you share the same soul blueprint. Yeah. So technically, you are one soul. You are a feminine or a masculine expression of your soul, and your twin flame, if you are a feminine, is the masculine expression. So oftentimes, you both are experiencing the same inner block. So when your world is collapsing, so is theirs. And when you both meet from a space where you are not healed, from a space where everything feels bad about everything, where you feel incomplete, your twin flame is going to come and mirror that. And that's not true that you only feel the triggers. Your twin flame feels the triggers with the same intensity. Your twin flame feels love with the same intensity. So what really happens here is that when you come and meet your twin flame from a place where you are unhealed, or probably you are experiencing some inner blocks, and your twin flame comes, these are the blocks that are going to get mirrored. These are the issues that are going to come to surface. So let's say if you have an abandonment wound, and you may have experienced that with your own parents, your twin flame is going to come and mirror those wounds where you may feel abandoned by your twin flame again and again. And what you're supposed to do is that you are supposed to uproot the abandonment wound for you to not experience abandonment issues within your twin flame connection anymore. So healing yourself, healing your wounds is the only way that can help you come into a place of harmony with your twin flame, from toxic fights, from going silent for months, or probably whatever issues that you may be going through. Because more than it seeing it as a platonic or a romantic connection, it is a spiritual connection that is there for your spiritual enhancement, advancement, and development. So I hope you like this video. If you do comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll come soon with more videos. Thank you very much.